Solving opening balance equity in QuickBooks Online is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Opening balance equity is typically created automatically by QuickBooks Online when you enter opening balances for accounts during the setup process. It represents the difference between your total assets and liabilities when you first started using QuickBooks Online. Ideally, opening balance equity should be zero once your accounts are set up correctly. Go to the Chart of Accounts in QuickBooks Online by clicking on the Accounting or Chart of Accounts tab. Review each account's opening balance to ensure they were entered correctly. Look for any accounts with unusual balances that might be causing the opening balance equity. Review all transactions, especially those related to opening balances, to ensure they were entered correctly and have the correct dates. Make sure that transactions are categorized correctly and that they match your actual financial records. If there's a specific amount in opening balance equity that needs adjustments, you can create a journal entry to move that amount to the correct account. Go to the plus sign menu and select Journal Entry. Debit or credit the opening balance equity account as needed to bring its balance to zero. For example, if opening balance equity has a credit balance, create a debit entry to offset it. Credit or debit the appropriate accounts to balance the journal entry. Reconcile all your bank and credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online to ensure that transactions are accurately recorded and match your bank statements. Reconciliation helps identify discrepancies and correct any errors that may be contributing to opening balance equity. If you're unsure about how to resolve opening balance equity, or if the issue persists after reviewing and correcting transactions, consider consulting a QuickBooks Pro advisor or accountant for assistance. They can review your accounts, transactions, and set up to identify any underlying issues causing the opening balance equity.